How to add product discounts to WIX store. So first go to your website dashboard here, and then just click on catalog here at the left side. Next is just click on products, and then look for the product that you want to add a discount to. So for example, I'll choose this one. Then just click on the three dots here at the right side. Then just click on edit product. Then start scrolling down and look for pricing. Then toggle this option here, the on sale option here. Toggle this on. And then of course now you can add the discount here. So you can choose either as a percent discount or the currency discount. So let's just choose the percent discount. So let's say I want to add this discount of 50%. Okay, now you'll already see the sale price and the profit that you'll make. After that, just click on save, and there you go. So you can see now it's on discount. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.